y'all babies doing today? So it is Independence Day today in my beautiful country, Jamaica land. We love, we lick about with talawa, cheese and peas. So I decided to do a look, just a quick little look to pay homage to my home. Hello. So I just used a bunch of colors that are in my Jamaica flag, which are black, green and gold, because our people are, listen, Jamaican people are it. If you're not Jamaican, I know you wish you were. And if you aren't, then move on. But I know you wish you were Jamaican, because hello, Jamaica land we love. Happy Independence, Jamaica.
They're never gonna love you, J.A., like I love you, J.A.A.A. They're never gonna need you like I need you, that's why I be stay. I know I'm not gonna left you for another land. That's not my play, not my play.
Jamaica, yeah. We moving like the line. Jamaica have the fastest man in alive. Him faster than Caravine. Stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. We no nice like my Jamaica. No, we no sweet like my Jamaica. We spend time in America and in Canada. No, we don't need like my Jamaica. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem.
I will always believe in the black, the green, the gold, I say. Our nation great above the trials. We must face the test of time. Cause our people, they are strong and we are going to get along.
Smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, yeah.
So this was just a short, quick glam, just to pay homage to Jamaica land we love. Hello. How many times have I said that in this video already? Listen, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a quick thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. And I'll see you in the next one. Smile for me, Jamaica! Bye, guys.